and loud. Check, check. Sound check. Okay, this sounds really good, audience. Can everyone hear me out there? The last gentleman over there, the man over there with the beautiful black and white. What you guys are doing? क्या हाल चाल सब बढ़िया? अच्छा आप लोग हाँ या ना जवाब देने वाले कि बस शो एंजॉय करने वाले पहले ये बता दीजिए तो मैं बात करूँ कि नहीं करूँ सोच लो फिर मैं. So कैसे आप सभी सब बढ़िया है? Can we start the event, guys? I think you guys are waiting for it. Okay, guys. So a very warm welcome to Music for Vision, presented by Smith Shri and Dr. B.T. Muscati Memorial Award Night. So before I talk about anything today, let me welcome Smita, Dr. Chandrasekhar ji, and Anand on stage to start this beautiful night with beautiful Prarthana and Deep Prajalan. And then let us go on. So please put your hands together for these three amazing people coming on stage, guys. Show some energy, come on. You guys are gonna, more than us, you guys gonna rock the night, I'm sure about it. So please put your hands together for Dr. Chandrasekhar ji, Smita ji. A very warm welcome to both of you. These 2.5 years have been so technically advanced कि आज मेरा मतलब after so many virtual events I can see these beautiful faces right in front of me. So thank you guys and thank you the organizing team for making it so live that we all are here and enjoying the physical communication than the virtual communication I would say rather. Okay guys, so before I start with this musical night, there's this Music for Vision. Okay, let me call upon the man behind this event. Okay, it's been a decade, more than a decade that this conference is happening. And this has been more than a decade. And these two personalities, the organizers, let me call upon them stage, Dr. Chandrasekhar Chavan ji and Dr. Muscati. In दोनों के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. So they will be talking about event. I'm sure कि many of them who are in this conference already. A very warm welcome to both of you. So before I start today's night, so I want to finish the all professional, all that agenda here when you talk about this event, and then let us enter to the music, let them enter to the entertainment, awards, and the enjoyment. So over to you both gentlemen, sir.
So the idea behind this musical evening is actually we have been conducting this Music for Vision program in my Super Special Lens Symposium every year. But this time, I think about last month there was a Guru Purnima, and I was in US and Smita told me that we should do something in the name of Dr. B.T. Maskati, who is my guru, godfather, and of course his father. But whatever I am today, thanks to Dr. B.T. Maskati. And there are so many people. नहीं without him I am nothing. So whatever I am today, thanks to Dr. B.T. Maskati and Kuresh Maskati. And there are so many other doctors also who can say the same thing about Dr. B.T. Maskati. So we thought that we'll start this Dr. B.T. Maskati Memorial Award from this year. And we have selected renowned ophthalmologists from Mumbai, whom again I look at them as gurus. And so Dr. Kuresh definitely agreed to the idea, and that's why we are here now. Thanks awardees for accepting my invitation and being here. Dr.
Thank you, Chavan. It was indeed nice when Chavan called me up to tell me that he wanted to institute awards in the name of Dr. B.T. Maskati. Naturally, I was thrilled. And when he told me that the names of the people that he wanted to honor, I thought for the first B.T. Maskati Memorial Awards, there could be no better names than the ones which he had selected. So I had nothing to do with the selection, except that I wholeheartedly agreed with his entire selection of nominees. And basically, it's going to be a fun night. It's just the physically meeting each other and greeting each other is with the fantastic music that's in store for us from Anand Menon and his team. I think we'll look forward to a great night ahead. So I don't want to keep you from the music. And of course, we'll intersperse the awards with the music so that it's a film fair type of Bollywood. We are in Mumbai. Okay. So without further ado, thank you so much for joining us today. And let's get on with the show.
Yes. And there are a lot of people from US, especially Marathi Mandal and all, are live watching us right now on Zoom. So this program is live. Thank you.
Thank you very much to both of you, sir. Thanks a lot. I was like very much happy when I got a call of hosting this event. I was like, okay, after so many virtual conferences, it's time to host an physical conference, first of all. Okay, so as sir spoke about the one of the main persons who arranged it, that's Mr. Anand Menon. So not keeping you more on hold, let me call upon Anand ji on stage. Acha, Anand ji already got Zorda Talaj Anand ji ke liye. So let him start with the first segment of this musical night, and then I will be right back, guys. Then over to you, sir.
Hello, check. Good evening, everyone. Can I have some noise? It is once again time to have some fun. Music for Vision. Probably Music for Vision was the comeback for me on stage. Until that time, it was it was a long period where stage was missing and Music for Vision. Thank you, Doctor, so much. Smita, thank you so much. आज की शाम शुरू करने से पहले मैं एक शेर अर्ज करना चाहता हूँ, अगर इजाजत हो तो। एक जोर से इरशाद हो जाए जरा सब लोग की तरफ से। आज मेरी मुलाकात मोहब्बत से हो गई। आज मेरी मुलाकात मोहब्बत से हो गई, फिर कुछ ही पलों में मोहब्बत सी हो गई। हाँ देरना दा दा देरना। तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना। तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना। कैसे तूने अन कहा, तूने अन कहा सब सुना। ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे। ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे। कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिर है ये सुलझे। है रोम रोम एक तारा,